Today, we're going to dive into a common headphone problem, the worn-out ear cups, worn-out ear cup cushions and headbands. And boy, have I got a solution for you. Raise your hand if you have experienced this. Your trusty Audio Technica ATH-M50X. These headphones, once the peak of comfort, now feeling a bit worse for wear. The ear cup cushions are flat as pancakes and the headbands have seen better days. It's time for an upgrade. Fear not, I have discovered a game changer from Wicked Cushions. These folks specialize in the replacement of ear cup cushions and headband covers. And let me tell you, they have saved my headphones from the brink of despair. Let's start with the ear cup cushions. The ones that came with the ATH-M50X are pretty good, but the Wicked Cushions takes it to the next level. These cushions are softer, larger, and so comfortable. Plus, they are super easy to install. Just pop off the old ones and snap on the new ones. Now, let's talk about the headband cover. The original one was decent, but the Wicked Cushions version, it's like wrapping your head in a cloud. It even comes with a handy zipper for easier installation. Once it's on, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. With both the ear cup cushions and the headband cover replaced, my ATH-M50X headphones feel like new again. The cushions are plush, the headphones cozy. It's like slipping on a brand new pair of headphones, but with all the familiar sound quality that you all love. After using it for a while, I'd definitely recommend these ear cups because these are one size fits all solution because they are pretty large from the usual solution that ATH usually gives. And there you have it, folks, the power of Wicked Cushions to breathe new life into your beloved headphones. If you're tired of dealing out with worn out cushions and uncomfortable headbands, then I highly recommend giving them a try. Your ears will thank you. If you have had any experience with the replacement ear cup cushions or headbands, share your thoughts in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Happy listening!